Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. I'm Jen. Today, Carly is in school. It is a Thursday here in Big Pine Key. It's kind of a random half day off for me. So I am here at the Tesla Superchargers in Big Pine Key to film this video and let you guys know all about our recent experience changing the 12-volt battery in Lucky. So normally we are unscripted. Today I have some notes on some cards because I just want to be able to get the time frame right, all the details right in a concise manner. So as they say here on YouTube, let's get started. On the day that we got the error message on the screen, or not error message, kind of warning message on the screen behind the wheel of Lucky that it was time to replace the 12-volt battery, I was taking Amber, our new kitten, to the vet, her very first appointment with the vet. By the way, the vet says that our new Tesla kitty is in perfect health, so we are very, very happy about that. If you would like to meet Amber, our new Tesla cat, we have a whole video for that. Check that out on our channel. So I'm driving to the vet. I get the alert on the back of the screen. Changed my whole day. It had been a while since we had to replace the 12-volt battery in Lucky. In fact, on August 15th of 2020, we posted a video about our first experience replacing a 12-volt battery in Lucky. That was a video with Franco from the Tesla mobile service. Learned so much from that Tesla mobile service visit from Franco to change that 12-volt battery. I recently rewatched it just to refresh my memory on a lot of those details after this happened. Definitely recommend you check out that video. In fact, I'm going to cue that video up at the end. So in that video, I asked Franco, how long should a Tesla 12-volt battery last? I was like 3 or 4 years, right? Because that's kind of like what I'm used to in like a normal ICE petroleum gasoline vehicle. He said no. He predicted that it would be about 2.5 years, the average lifespan of a Tesla EV, the low voltage battery. 2.5 years. That's what he predicted. He explains why in that video. So you should really watch that video when it's queued up at the end, because I think it's really interesting as to why a 12-volt battery doesn't last as long in an electric vehicle. So check that out. At the end of this video, I'm going to let you know exactly how long our video is, how long our 12-volt battery lasted. You'll see if how accurate Franco was with his prediction. So anyway, before we go any further, I do want to put Lucky's specs up on the screen so that you can see that Lucky is an older 2016 P90D Model X, and she is 6 years, 6 months old. This is our third 12-volt battery in Lucky. So the original owner had to replace the battery once, and then we have had to replace the 12-volt battery twice. So the last time that we changed the 12-volt battery, the first time that we did it, Lucky's odometer was at 59,483 miles. The day I was taking Amber to the vet and we got the error message on the screen, warning message on the screen, we were at 117,648 miles. So we had gone basically 58,165 miles on a 12-volt battery. Now, I understand from talking to Tesla, the miles driven doesn't impact the life of a 12-volt battery as much as the number of times that the vehicle is started. If you have any thoughts on that or any knowledge on that topic in terms of the durability, miles versus months, start, stop, all that, let us know in the comments below. Okay, so this is what Franco said to me on that day he changed the battery. When you see that warning on the screen, he said, don't panic, but do act right away. Okay, so when I got done with the vet, I called Tesla. What did Tesla say to me? This is what Tesla said to me. You can pass by the nearest service center to have it replaced. You do not need an appointment for this. We will take the vehicle in as an emergency for this concern. Pass by the nearest Tesla service center? This is where rural Tesla ownership does sometimes get a little bit interesting. The nearest Tesla service center is about 140 miles away in Coral Gables. So I have to admit that I had 12-volt battery anxiety. It happened, and it was real. And I think I was still a little bit scarred from our summer road trip experience last year. We were in rural Virginia. We had a flat tire, and that ended up costing me $555 in towing. So I had this, fear that the 12-volt battery was going to die in Key West, and we were going to have to tow Lucky all the way to Coral Gables, and how much would that cost me? Wow. By the way, I'm also going to queue up at the end our flat tire video. I definitely think that anyone driving Tesla road trips in a Tesla needs to watch this video and learn what we learned the hard way about the flat tire experience in a Tesla. I have since learned that we could change the 12-volt battery ourselves. So if it died in Key West, I do have the option of buying a 12-volt battery from a local, auto shop and having my husband install it. We wouldn't necessarily have had to have towed Lucky all the way to Coral Gables as I feared. However, my husband and I also watched a video on the replacement process for a Tesla 12-volt battery and a 2016 Model X, and we were just like, holy cow, what an inconvenient thing. You have to basically remove the whole frunk, and the video goes through all of these steps. And watching this video with my husband, he was like, I am really glad that you just drove the car today to Coral Gables and let them do it. So I did kind of rearrange my whole plan for the day, my work schedule and everything, and drove straight to Coral Gables, where they got me in same day, and they did replace the 12-volt battery. So everything with that experience, the service I got in Coral Gables was perfect. No issues there. So now, how much did this new 12-volt battery cost? And how much did it cost compared to the one from 2020? So back in 2020, it cost us $264.05 to replace the 12-volt battery. That was, with free visit from Tesla mobile service to my place of work. The 12-volt battery that we replaced a couple weeks ago, $268.04. I was shocked and pleased that there was only a $3.99 increase in the battery now versus the battery then. And I have heard that Elon Musk takes the approach with service that he doesn't want to make money servicing Teslas, and that Tesla attempts to break even in the service division because they're not looking to make a profit there. They're just looking to provide convenient and reasonably priced service to its drivers. Now, I have no idea if $268.04 is reasonably priced for a 12-volt battery. I mean, maybe if you've got a Ford pickup truck, you can get one for cheaper. Let me know all of your thoughts about the cost of this Tesla 12-volt battery in the comments below. But I was still very, very happy to get it replaced same day, and that it didn't cost like 30% more. That was a relief. So, okay, now to the part of this video with Franco's prediction. He said back in August of 2020 that he thought that our 12-volt battery would last about 2.5 years. Well, Franco, if you're watching, our 12-volt battery lasted 2 years, 5 months, and 14 days. So now I can set a reminder in my phone for like 2 years, 5 months, and 0 days that I should be expecting the battery warning light to potentially come on. In fact, I think I might just set that reminder in my phone today. Thank you so much for watching TesLUCKY. We hope you enjoy the videos queued up at the end, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye.